People are surprised that Australia has a thriving and vibrant ski industry, but in the far southeast of the country our mountains are high enough to receive snow. It's really very challenging for Australia's forecasts. There is a fine line between forecasting snow and rain across most of our resorts, and the difference between a bad and a good season can be just one snow event. The best situation for snow is usually a succession of fronts across southeastern Australia. Normally we like to see a low pressure system south of Tasmania, and that acts as a focus to slingshot fronts up across southeast of the country. And a good situation is when we get 4 or 5 cold fronts rapidly moving through over the course of a week. You may end up with 50 to 100 centimetres of snowfall. Early in the season, people are just looking to build a snow base for something to ski or board on. But as the season wears on and we have a good base of snow, normally people are looking for that high pressure belt to bring that nicer weather to skiing or boarding. Met-Eye is one of the best vehicles to look at snow forecast. It's available on the Bureau's web. Click on Met-Eye and that takes you to a map-based diagram which shows you wind and rainfall and snow for the next 7 days. Because it's map-based, you can see the local variations across southeastern Australia. But you can also click on your favourite spot and get a very detailed 7-day forecast which covers every 3 hours for those 7 days. You get wind speeds, wind directions and snow and rain forecasts as well as temperature. Alpine weather can change very rapidly, particularly as fronts come and go. So it's really important to check the Bureau's websites for warnings, updated forecasts, and do that on a regular basis just to keep tabs of the evolving situation.